Is it snowing where you are? Below freezing temperatures or freezing rain? Look at my soggy rooster. Today, now's the time we're going to make a warm, comforting soup. It's my Tuscan Italian-inspired ham and bean soup, and it's tasty and delicious, and there's a free ingredient. What's the mysterious free ingredient? Keep watching to find out. So sometimes you just need a good soup to warm up. Don't you, Shirley? And I'd like to give a quick plug. Wait, calm down, Ruru. I'd like to give a quick plug for Shirley and his children's story that's available on Amazon. If you have kids or grandkids, I think I've written a few adorable stories that are based off of my real life roosters. There's Billy the Crying Roo, Shirley the Scaredy Roo, this is him, and Sebastian the Screaming Roo. Kids love them. They're new. It's hard to get noticed and get out there. But if you wouldn't mind taking a peek and checking them out on Amazon, might be a great holiday gift. Thanks, now let's get cooking. last week I was testing a recipe that I created where I actually only needed these Italian seasoned tomatoes, but I didn't actually need the juice. So I just strained that out so that I could get the tomatoes I wanted. This is also great for using, again, cooking out of your pantry, or if there's tomatoes are priced too high at your store. So we're just gonna go ahead and drain this out because I'm getting ready to make this recipe again. Now, it turned out really good. Sometimes I say even my sister liked it because sometimes she's a little pickier or, doesn't like certain things, and she loved it. So I'm going to be making it for next week's video, so keep an eye out. But just go ahead and strain out the sauce that we're using in the soup for today. And it's like a free ingredient that's loaded with flavor because it already has the Italian seasoning and the tomato juice. Perfect.
Swallowing a line, feathers shine so fine. Every morning bright, animals with delight.
I say I need to get Rooster hugs and kisses every day and Rooster squishles. Does Mommy squish you every day? Yes. It's okay, boy.